Annyeonghaseyo, Chademin, D Shandepti Da. What's going on, everyone? It's your girl D here, back again with another unboxing for you. And today we are unboxing my GlossyBox. This is what it looks like for this month. This is for August 2018. I will leave all the information down below in the description box about GlossyBox. Let's go ahead and get started. First of all, let's look at the box again. This box is beautiful. I love it. It has the umbrella and the shells and the bikini and sunglasses. It is all about summertime, as you can see. And right there it says Sarah Bolton. I'm not sure if Sarah Bolton, can you see that? There you go. I'm not sure if Sarah Bolton is the person who curated this box or who designed the box, but we will find out. And I like the back too. It has the umbrella, sunglasses, bikini, and shells. So this is nice. Before I get into this box though, let me just tell you that, remember last month when I did my GlossyBox unboxing and that hairspray spilled in my box and I was in my feelings? It wasn't GlossyBox's fault, you know, it was a shipping thing, but I was really upset and in my feelings. Well, I contacted customer service and they did redeem themselves. They got back to me immediately and they sent me another hairspray. So I just wanted to show that off. This is what the hairspray looks like. The John Masters Organic. So this was not in this box. This was just the from my last box. I just wanted to show you that GlossyBox did redeem themselves. They got back to me immediately, and in no time flat, I got the hairspray. So thank you so much, GlossyBox, for your awesome customer service. All right, let's go ahead and with this unboxing, shall we? All right, so this is what the inbox looks like. It said, and the theme is Beach Please. Can you see that? Whoops. Beach Please is the theme, and I like how it's wrapped in a bow. So this is my first time opening this. Oh, on the inside it even says Beach Please. Very, very nice. I love the color. All right, let's see what we have inside of here. By the way, if you're watching this video and I'm in the same attire, same get up, same jewelry and hair and whatnot, I'm filming back to back to back. So I hope that everybody's doing okay out there, by the way. This weekend is KCON weekend. Those of you that know what KCON is or you follow me, you know that I usually attend KCON every year. But because of work, I was unable to attend this year, and some of my friends are there in Los Angeles, and you guys know that I love LA, and I'm missing out on KCON, and I'm very, very upset about that. Oh, so maybe I'll get a chance to go next year. We shall see. Anyway, I digress. Let's get back to the unboxing. Beach Please is the theme. GlossyBox always comes with a nice little pamphlet like this that tells you everything that is inside. Here you can check out GlossyBox on all of their GlossyBox, yes, on all of their social media. I thought I said another company there. On the inside here, we have a letter from the president. And let's see here, Sarah Bolton. Here she is right here, the illustrator. Sarah Bolton is the designer, the illustrator of this beautiful box right here. Here's a picture of Sarah right here. Here's Sarah Bolton right there. This tells you about the theme of the box at the top, I think. And this here is the letter from the president and CEO right there. So this is nice. So Sarah did a very good job designing this box this month. She is from Baltimore, and she's awesome. You can go follow her on Instagram, by the way. Sarah, that's Sarah's Instagram right there for you to view more of her lovely artwork. And this right here tells you everything that's inside GlossyBox right there. I'll move up a little bit closer. It also tells you prices, and it tells you how to use the items that you get inside. That's what I love about GlossyBox, is that they give us this lovely, lovely pamphlet. So I'm going to refer to this as I'm removing things from the box. Stay. All right, here we go. Everything is wrapped up nice. The first thing that we have is something that says introducing. This is from Sets Blot and Translucent powder. Bye Bye Oils and Shine. This is what that looks like right there. And this is from Sets or Sets Beauty. The full size is worth $3.99. I have 3 packets in here. Let's see if I can open her up for you. Ah, okay. Oh, okay. This is nice. It says absorbs 7 times oil. It's available at CVS Pharmacy. This is what the product looks like right here on the inside. There's the other side there. And I have 3 packets. Smells pretty good too. Here are the packages, what they look like there in the middle. And then here's the other side of the pamphlet there. They're disposable, it looks like. And here's the other side there. So yeah, these are nice. I've never seen these or heard of these before. So I'm excited to try these right here. Awesome. And they're purse size too. They're very small. Next thing that we have, all right, we got some eye cool gel. Anything for the eyes or eye care, I love as I'm, getting more mature and a little bit older. This is for all skin types. This is from Manu Skin. This is the Line Smoothing Eye Cool Gel. And this is what it looks like here. This looks like it's full size as well. Can you see that? My lighting is horrible in my bathroom. And it's made in the UK. It is fragrance-free, wheat-free, and paraben-free. Here's the other side. You won't be able to read the ingredients probably because that is so small. But I will tell you that this Manu Eye Cool Gel, the full size, is worth $30. Full size is 0.5 ounces. Are you 0.5 ounces? Are you full size? You might be 0.5 ounces. I can't find the ounces on here. Oh, it's 15 milliliters. 15 milliliters. But the full size is $30. And I believe it because a good eye cream or eye depuffer gel is going to be a little expensive. And a little of this goes a long way. So I'm not complaining about the size. You get a lot in here. So that's good to have. Next thing I have is a nail polish. Nice. This is from NCLA Los Angeles. And you can't tell by the lighting, but this top is pink. And this is the color. It looks like a very pretty neon pink color. There's the other side there. This is from NCLA. And this is worth $16. And it is a nail polish. So they told me the color. It does. I've been drinking is the color. I've been drinking. I've been drinking. Anyway, that's the color. Nice, nice, nice. This is a perfect bright color. In the summertime, I like to wear bright colors on my toes because I think that it just brings out my skin tone. So this will be going on my toes. I need to get a manicure. I used to get manicures and get my nails done all the time, but then I stopped. I need to go back to taking care of myself and taking care of my hands. Anyway, I digress. Next thing we have here. Ooh, something from my hair looks like. This is from Grow Gorgeous Scalp Detox. Exfoliating pre-wash treatment. Yes. Pre-poos, pre-wash treatments that's going to get in my scalp and clean my scalp. Yes, ma'am. I love this. This is 30 or 50 milliliters. And this is what it looks like right here. Here's the other side too. It looks like there's quite a bit in there as well. You probably can't see that writing and I apologize for it. But this is from Grow Gorgeous Hair Care, the Scalp Detox. The full size of this is $34. Nice. All right. So I cannot wait to try this. Awesome. And then, wait, there's 2 more things in here. I'm like, I see some confetti. But there's a few more things in here. Ooh, from Rin Skincare. This is the Flash Hydro Boost Instant Plumping Emulsion. And this is what that looks like right here. And here is the other side of that right there. Can you see that? It's not going to cooperate. But this right here is, the full size is worth $44. Okay, I've had things from this company before, and it's pretty good. I think I've had some some eye cream from this company before. And this helps your skin retain moisture, fight signs of aging. You just massage 2 or 3 drops to help repair your skin's natural barriers over time. So this is like a moisturizer. So happy to get a moisturizer in the nice summertime to to help hydrate my skin, of course. And then the last thing that I have, is from VDL. This is a Luma Layer. Say that 5 times fast, I dare you. Luma Layer Primer Fresh. And this is what the box looks like, which is very nice. This looks very expensive. Very expensive. And this is what the back of it looks like in case you're interested in ingredients and such. And this right here is worth $10. All right, for 4 ounces. Let's take her out. This is what the primer looks like. It looks like a nail polish bottle. Very interesting. All right. Here's the other side. You probably won't be able to see that. But it looks like it's full size too. I can't tell though because of the glass. But it says shake well prior to use. And this right here will give you a radiance that lasts from morning till night. So it's just a primer. It helps prime your face for makeup and illuminates your face and highlights your features. So yeah. So it doesn't smell like anything. So you can't see it, but it's just like a primer in there. There's no pump or anything. You have to kind of like, put this out on your finger. But that's nice. I've never heard of this company before. So I'm excited to try this, and I love primers because I wear makeup, and I need a primer for my makeup. I don't wear makeup without priming my skin. All right, friends, besides the little confetti, that's everything in this month's Glossy Box, and I love everything in it. Let's recap right quick from VDL. I got the primer, which is very, very nice. From Grow Gorgeous, I got the Scalp Detox. When I do my wash day, I will definitely be using this. From Ren Clean Skincare, I got the Flash Hydro Boost, which is a moisturizer. From Manuskin, I got the iCool Gel, which is nice. And from NCLA Los Angeles, I got this nail polish in I've been drinking. I just like saying that, y'all. There's the color again. And then last but not least, my friends, I got from I hope I'm pronouncing right, Sets the Blot and Translucent, I cannot say that word, powder. These little packets. That is nice. That is everything that I received in my Glossy Box for the month of August 2018. The theme was Beach Please. This is what the box looks like again. This box is gorgeous. The products are nice. That's why I love Glossy Box. I've stayed subscribed to them since January of this year so far because I love the skincare that we get. It's really nice. It's premium. It's products I've never heard of, things I like to try, and it's awesome. So again, I'll leave everything down below in case you want to subscribe to Glossy Box. All right? Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it. If you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and do that. I'm close to 1,000 subscribers. When I get there and reach my goal, there will be a giveaway. I can't wait to do that because I want to thank everyone for, sticking with me and subscribing and watching my videos because there's a lot of channels out there that do this sort of thing, but yet you all stop by my channel to watch me, and I really appreciate that, all right? So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to rate and comment. If you have gotten or have used any of these products, go ahead and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think, because we all get different things. I didn't say this, by the way, at the beginning, but how Glossy Box works is you fill out a profile and Glossy Box will curate a box based on what you put in that profile. So I put on there that I